Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar, working assistant professor in civil engineering department in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today my topic is timber. Timber is used as a building material in a construction work. So what is timber? Timber is a type of wood which has been processed into a beams and or lengths. It is also called lumber in USA and Canada. Basically, timber or lumber is a wood or firewood of growing tree. Any wood capable of yielding a minimum dimensional size can be termed as a timber or lumber. It is a stage in the process of wood production, and timber are used for the structural purpose. Those wood which are adapted for a building purpose are timber. Finished timber is supplied in a standard size in a industry. Timber is used in building house and making furniture. Next is types of timber and lumber. There are different types: bamboo, beech, kedar, cherry, cross laminated, gulum, green timber, lime, oak, pine, plywood, saplewood, tulip wood, walnut, wood ash, and spruce. And what are the first advantage of bamboo? Bamboo are fast growing and high yielding, and they are easily renewable. Bamboo quickly reach fully maturity after 1 or 2 years. Bamboo timber has unique earthy door and being work. Bamboo timber is a energy extensive process and glued up to important products. Bamboo timber require little fertilizer and grow initially at a full width. Bamboo timber are used in a veneer and paper flute and window blinds. And what are the disadvantages? These are a polluting material and special care and susceptible to insect. A bamboo fiber are tend to split and pull out when being crossed out. Bamboo timber has reported to cause the skin irritation. So these are all about why the timber. Thank you. Thank you very much.